Have you ever pondered on the importance of self-care and relaxation? It's a crucial aspect of our health that often gets overshadowed by the hustle and bustle of life. Today, we delve into the calming world of lavender essential oils and discover 10 enchanting recipes you can whip up at home for a soothing bath and body experience. First on the list is the Lavender Honey Bath Soak. This sweet concoction combines the relaxing properties of lavender with the skin-nourishing benefits of honey. All you need is a half cup of honey, a quarter cup of baking soda, and 20 drops of lavender essential oil. Mix them together and add to a warm bath for a luxurious soak. Next, we have the Lavender Coconut Body Scrub. This recipe blends the exfoliating power of sugar, the moisturizing properties of coconut oil, and the calming scent of lavender. Combine 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of coconut oil, and 10 to 15 drops of lavender essential oil, and you've got yourself a rejuvenating body scrub. Third in line is the Lavender Chamomile Bath Melts. These tiny delights melt into your bath, releasing a soothing scent that can help you unwind. You'll need some chamomile flowers, shea butter, and lavender essential oil for this recipe. Our fourth recipe is the Lavender Rosemary Hair Rinse. This natural rinse leaves your hair shiny and smelling divine. Brew a strong rosemary tea, let it cool, and add a few drops of lavender essential oil. Use it after your regular shampoo for an aromatic hair treat. Coming in at number 5 is the Lavender Epsom Salt Foot Soak. Epsom salt is known for its muscle-relaxing properties, and when combined with lavender, it makes for a comforting foot soak. Mix 2 cups of Epsom salt with 10 drops of lavender essential oil and dissolve in warm water for a foot bath. The sixth recipe is the Lavender Lemon Hand Cream. This cream leaves your hands feeling soft and smooth with a refreshing scent. Combine shea butter, coconut oil, beeswax, lemon essential oil, and lavender essential oil to create this nourishing hand cream. Next up is the Lavender Peppermint Cooling Spray. A spritz of this cooling spray can help refresh you on a hot day. You'll need distilled water, witch hazel, peppermint essential oil, and lavender essential oil. Our eighth recipe is the Lavender Vanilla Lip Balm. This homemade lip balm keeps your lips moisturized and smelling great. Combine beeswax, coconut oil, vanilla extract, and lavender essential oil to make this lip-loving balm. Ninth on our list is the Lavender Almond Massage Oil. This massage oil recipe combines the soothing scent of lavender with the nourishing properties of almond oil. Mix almond oil and lavender essential oil for a relaxing massage experience. Finally, we have the Lavender Oatmeal Soap. This soap recipe gently exfoliates while providing a calming scent. You'll need oatmeal, soap base, and lavender essential oil to make this soothing soap. Remember, self-care isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. So take some time out of your busy schedule to relax and unwind with these lavender-infused recipes. Each one offers its unique benefits, allowing you to turn your home into a personal spa. If you love these soothing recipes and want more content like this, do us a favor by hitting that subscribe button. Let's continue this journey of relaxation and self-care together.